Yes, children, so far we learned about our sense organs and different system in our body. So we learned about our sense organs, so you know which are the sense organs, isn't it? Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, these are all our sense organs. Whenever we see something, we are here, we taste, we feel. What happens when we smell? Yes, the message is going to the brain through nerves. Nerves are bundle of fibers, we say, bundle of fibers. Just imagine it as the electric wire where the power passes going on. So yes, so it's a bundle of fibers where messages are passing to the brain from different parts of the body, and from brain to different parts again the message sent, isn't it? Yes, because of this we are able to see, hear, or we are able to move, talk, everything. Yes. Then we learned about different systems in our body. Our body is made up of cells. These cells join together to form tissues, and these tissues join together to form organs. So different organs combine together to form system which helps in the functioning of the whole body. So today we learned about these different systems in our body. So the first system we learned is about the nervous system. Nervous, the word itself, it contains nerves. It consists of many nerves inside our body. So the brain, spinal cord and nerves forms the nervous system. Brain, from different parts of the body, nerves takes the message to the brain. Then from brain, nerves carry message to different parts of the body through spinal cord. With the help of spinal cord, we say. So brain, spinal cord, nerves, these all forms the nervous system. Brain along with nerves and spinal cord makes up the nervous system. In order for action, we say. The brain is connected to all parts of our body. So it is the main control of our body. Brain has the main control for our body. Whatever we do, the brain controls. Yes. Then we learned about skeleton system. Skeleton system, there are 206 bones in our body, which forms a framework, we say. Or together, this all together form a structure. This is skeleton system. This system consists of 206 bones. This gives the shape and support to our body. It protects our internal organs. So because of these bonds, because they are strong, we are able to move, isn't it? Yes. So this gives support to our body, shape to our body, protects the internal organs. That is skeletal system. It consists of 206 bones. Our body consists of 206 bones joined together to form the framework, the structure to our body, give shape to our body. Then we learned about muscular system, which contains muscles. Yes, muscles. So there are different muscles in our body. They connected to the joints, isn't it? Bones are joined to the muscles, we say. These bones inside our body are joined to the muscles. Yes, so our heart is beating. Then the food, whatever we eat, it goes to the stomach. Then eyes are moving. We have different facial expressions. This all happens because of these muscles in our body. So our muscle helps, our muscular system helps in the movement of inner and outer organs of the body. Actually, our human body has different types of muscles. It makes almost half of the person's body weight. Half of the person's body weight is because of this muscular system, because of these muscles, we say. Then we learned about digestive system. Yes, digestive system. Yes, the process of digestion starts at mouth. When we eat, what happens? Yes, here in the mouth we chew the food, it goes to the stomach through food pipe. Stomach also again that breaking down process happens, means food break into small pieces again there, then it goes to small intestine, the digestion completes and the useful things are taken by the blood, water also get absorbed there, then undigested food or unwanted food goes to large intestine, goes out from the body through anus. So this is the process that is happening when we eat food. Inside this process is happening. So this process of breaking down of food into small piece, that is called into simpler forms, it is digestion actually, and these all form the organs that helps in digestion forms the digestive system. The organs, the mouth, small intestine, stomach, large intestine, this all helps in digestion. So these forms the digestive system. Then we learned about circulatory system. Just when we keep your hand on the left side of the chest, we can feel the heartbeat, we can hear it. Yes, so heart, blood vessels, these all forms a circulatory system. Heart pump blood to all parts of the body through some blood vessels. They are arteries and veins. Yes, arteries carry pure blood, veins carry impure blood. From the heart, blood goes through arteries and return back to the heart through veins. Yes, so this blood carry oxygen and food to all parts of the body. That is what is the duty of the blood. Yes, heart is pumping this blood to all parts of the body. That is circulatory system. Then we learned about respiratory system. When we breathe through nose, air goes inside, it goes to the lungs through windpipe. So lungs, we have two lungs actually, right and left lung, which helps in respiration or breathing. So this nose, windpipes, lungs and this exchange of gases, it forms the respiratory system. When we breathe the air, oxygen is going inside. When we breathe out, carbon dioxide is going out. That is exchange of gases. Yes, that is the respiratory system. And blood is purified in the lungs. Yes. Then we learned about excretory system, where the process of removing the waste from our body. The undigested food, it goes as waste from our body in the form of urine and solid waste. So urine, actually we have two kidneys. Kidneys are excretory organs. It purifies the blood, and what happens, the unwanted blood or what, it goes out from the kidney in the form of urine. Yes, so that is about excretory system. And lungs also throw out waste in the form of carbon dioxide, and skin also throw out waste in the form of sweat. When we sweat, actually waste is going out. Yes. So kidneys, the image also you have seen, they are bean shaped organ actually, isn't it? Blood passes through this kidneys, and for body to work effectively, actually the waste should go from our body. If the waste is not going from our body cannot work properly, effectively. So waste should be removed from our body regularly. This is done by kidneys, or this is done by the excretory system. Removal of waste from our body, it is done by excretory system. It should go from our body. Waste should go from our body. Then only our body will work effectively. And this is done by kidneys or excretory system, we say. Then reproductive system, the last system, reproductive system, which helps to produce babies. Parents are getting children because of this reproductive system. It helps in producing babies. So there are organs in men and women which helps in reproduction. Yes. Words to remember. Yes, nerve. Nerves we learn, no nerves. Yes. In the nervous system, it contains nerves, bundle of fibers it is. Yes, just like electric wire I said, isn't it? Bundle of fibers which carry messages to the brain and from brain to all parts of the body. Skeleton, the supporting framework. skeleton contains system contains 206 bonds, isn't it? Yes. So this forms the framework. These bonds join together to form a framework or a structure, a supporting structure, that is skeleton. It gives shape to our body, structure to our body. Internal means inner parts, isn't it? Inner parts or features. Excrete means separate, we say, to expel as waste. The waste is going out, that is excretion. Excrete. Muscles means physical power. Yes, muscles are there means we have physical power, we say. Yes, muscles. Brush up. Let's recall. Our sense organs help us to survive in this world pleasantly, isn't it? Without sense organs, can you imagine without sense organs, without your eyes? It's very difficult to live without eyes, we saw that girls were telling, isn't it? Yes, without hearing, without seeing, hearing and all, without talking and all. How can we live? It's very difficult. So with the help of sense organs, we can live in this world nicely. Thanks to God that our sense organs are working nicely. All the systems and organs of the body work under the control of brain. See, all the system, different types of system we learn. Nervous system, circulatory system, digestive system, excretory system. All this system works under brain. Brain has the full power or the main control. Blood carries oxygen and food to all parts of the body. Blood carries oxygen, blood carries food also to all parts of the body, and we are getting energy to work and play. We have two lungs. Yes, right and left we have two lungs, and we have two kidneys, two bean-shaped kidneys. Lungs which helps in respiration, isn't it? We take air, we breathe air, it goes to the lungs, then from lungs we breathe out carbon dioxide. Blood purifies in the lungs, isn't it? Yes. Then kidneys, which helps us to remove the waste from the body. That is done by kidneys. Reproductive system helps to produce babies to enable human life to go on in this world. Yes, human life to go on. Parents produce babies like you, from you again another babies, like that babies produce, they will grow up, then again they will produce babies. So like that human life is gone from one generation to another generation. Human life to go on, it should go on, it should move on. So reproductive system helps in doing that because it has the ability to produce babies. Life skills. Our body is a machine which works properly only when all the body systems go together to perform the functions. Yes, our body is a machine. It's a super machine, we say, isn't it? All the body parts together work and we are able to do many things. If one part of our body system does not work properly, the working of our entire body is affected. Once you think if any one part of the body is not working properly, it will affect the whole body function. Suppose if you are not able to move this hand properly, then the whole body will suffer. If one leg is not able to move properly, the whole body will suffer. Inside, in internal organ, if anything happens, the whole body will suffer. If anything happens to your heart, your kidney, your brain, inside, the whole body will suffer. The whole body, it gets affected. So, we should take proper diet. Proper diet means what? Healthy food you have to eat. Not food from outside like pizza, burger, chocolates, more Lays, chips and all. You have to eat healthy food. The food which contains all the nutrients. All the nutrient food. A balanced diet, a healthy diet. That food gives us energy. Carbohydrates, then different nutrients, minerals, fats. All the food that contains all these nutrients, vitamins, minerals, all these nutrients, food you should eat. Fruits, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, meat. Yes, this good food, healthy food you should have, you should eat. It provides good nutrients to our body. So you should take proper diet. It supplies good nutrients to our body. Then only our body will work effectively, nicely. Our body will work nicely, effectively if we eat good food, proper diet, a balanced diet we say, which contains all the nutrients. Yes. If we are not eating this good food or healthy food, what happens? Yes, you will get tiredness, your body gets weak, you get infection, you fall sick, then it will affect your academic performance. You won't be able to learn properly, you won't be able to read properly, you won't be able to remember what you are learning. So you have to eat proper diet, proper food, healthy food, proper rest. At the same time you need rest also. You should have proper sleep. Children should sleep 8 hours. You should have proper sleep. You should go to bed early and you should wake up early. That is a good habit. So you have to take proper rest also and do proper exercise. Yes, simply eating food and sleeping, no, you have to do exercise also. You have to, if you can ride cycle, it's good to ride cycle. Girls do skipping. You have to play. That exercise, you have to walk. So do proper exercise to make our organ systems work in a proper way. If you do all these things, then your body work effectively. All the body parts works effectively, with function properly. So you have to take proper diet, you have to take proper rest, and you have to do proper exercise. Then your body works effectively. Yes. So children, we completed the lesson 20, our sense organs and system. So many good things we learned from the lesson, isn't it? Whatever happens inside our body when we eat food, when we breathe air, what all things are happening inside our body, about our internal organs, what is their functions, everything you learned. Now you should read the lesson properly. Once, twice, thrice you read, many times you can read the lesson, you understand it very well, then you can do exercise easily. So go through the lesson, read the lesson, read about each system very well, that all terms you should understand properly about each system, the functions of each system, what are these systems are doing in our body. Everything. This is the thing that is happening in your body. In your body, what all things are happening, that only we learn today. So you have to read it properly. Each and every system read properly. Read the lessons nicely. Once, twice, thrice, many times, as much possible you read it. Understand the lesson. Then you can do the exercise. Okay, children? At the same time, take proper diet, proper rest and proper exercise for the body to function properly.